Welcome to Legacy Secured, where purpose meets strategy and confidence fuels powerful results. Hosted by Kendra Nix, wife, NICU warrior, mama, CEO, and your go-to guide for building a life and business that actually feels like you. Each episode is packed with real talk, smart systems, and the kind of mindset shifts that help you move with clarity and purpose. Whether you're pivoting, scaling, or just getting started, you're in the right place.
Welcome back. Welcome back. It's your girl, Kendra. Glad to be back. So let me tell you something. This brand glow up, still very much under construction. But that doesn't mean the mission pause. If anything, it gets louder. When I decided to rebrand, it wasn't because something was broken. Many of you know I took a long pause on things outside of my personal life. And during that time, I had grown. I've been through the NICU season, launched businesses, shut a few down, had some big wins, took a few L's, and through it all, God kept refining my focus. I realized I can't keep trying to fit my growth into an old frame. So I changed the picture. Now, don't get it twisted. This pivot has not been Pinterest perfect. The website, half updated. The funnels, mid-pivot. The email list, bless it, okay? And I'm still filming content, still showing up, and still figuring it all out as I go. Because clarity doesn't always show up in a clean Canva template. Now, don't get me wrong. That new Canva AI, it's the bee's knees. However, it doesn't show up that way. Sometimes it comes through sticky notes, voice notes, and late night aha moments after the toddler finally goes to sleep. Okay. Listen, I'm far from a preacher, but best believe I know how to teach. And here's the lesson. Don't wait for things to be perfect to make a move. Perfection is a trap. Momentum is the mission. Whether it's your business, your brand, or your next bold leap, just start, okay? God blesses movement, not just the plan. So here's a tip to take something off your plate so you can get to moving. If you're like me and it feels like laundry never ends, let me tell you about a service that I use. Happiness is a laundry service that picks up and drops off because sometimes the best self-care isn't doing it all. It's knowing what to delegate so you can focus on what really matters. So listen, you are not behind. You're in a divine season of realignment. And trust me, you are not alone in this messy middle. We're building while becoming, and that's a beautiful place to be.
That's it for today's episode of Legacy Secured. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit subscribe and share it with a fellow powerhouse who's ready to build with purpose. For more strategy, confidence, and real-life business gems, make sure you stay connected with Kendra across all platforms. Until next time, keep showing up, keep moving smart, and remember, your legacy is already in motion.